You've been told to save for a rainy day. But here is the truth. That's the fastest way to stay broke. While your money sits in a traditional savings account, inflation is eating it alive. Your $1,000 isn't growing, it's shrinking in real time. I've spent years analyzing market trends and helping thousands of people stop hoarding cash and start building actual wealth. Most beginner advice is too vague. They tell you to diversify or buy index funds, but they don't tell you how to do it when you only have $1,000. Today, we're changing that. I'm giving you 3 realistic, step-by-step portfolios for your first $1,000. Whether you want a safe harbor, steady growth, or a high-risk moonshot, you'll leave this video knowing exactly where to put your money to make it work for you. Let's dive in. You think you're being responsible. You've got $1,000 sitting in a savings account. It feels safe. It's there if you need it. But here is the cold, hard truth. That safe account is actually a leak in your boat. While you're sleeping, inflation is eating your purchasing power. If inflation is at 3% or 4%, and your bank is paying you 0.01%, you aren't saving. You're losing. Think about it. $1,000 today doesn't buy what $1,000 bought 5 years ago. And in 5 more years, it'll buy even less. We've all heard the advice, save for a rainy day. It sounds prudent. It sounds mature. But when the rainy day actually hits, you'll realize your umbrella has holes in it because your money didn't grow with the cost of living. You've been conditioned to believe that avoiding risk is the goal. But the biggest risk of all is doing nothing. Every day that money sits idle, you are paying an ignorance tax. You're missing out on compound interest, the only legal cheat code for building wealth. While the wealthy are using their money to make more money, you're letting the bank use your money to make their asterisk money. You aren't building a safety net. You're building a cage. It's time to stop playing defense and start playing offense. Here is the cold, hard truth. Your savings account isn't a safety net. It's a leak. While you see the numbers staying the same, inflation is eating your purchasing power every single day. To actually build wealth, you have to stop saving and start deploying. With $1,000, you have enough to start, but not enough to gamble. You need a strategy. Depending on your gut feeling and your goals, there are 3 realistic paths you can take. Let's break them down. Path 1, the low-risk foundation. This is for the person who hates the idea of losing a single penny. Your best bet here: a broad market index fund like the S&P 500. Instead of betting on one company, you're betting on the 500 biggest companies in the US. Historically, this returns about 10% per year on average. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-for-sure system if you give it time. If you want zero effort, this is your move. Path 2, the medium-risk accelerator. This is for those who want more growth, but don't have 10 hours a week to study balance sheets. This is where robo-advisors come in. These platforms use algorithms to automatically diversify your $1,000 across stocks, bonds, and real estate. They handle the rebalancing for you. You just set your risk level and let the software do the heavy lifting. It's the set-it-and-forget-it approach to wealth building. You get better diversification than a single index fund, with slightly more targeted growth. Path 3, the high-risk moonshot. Now, this is only for the money you are 100% okay with losing. We're talking individual growth stocks or a small allocation into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here, you aren't buying the whole market, you're betting on a specific winner. The volatility is wild. Your $1,000 could become $2,000 in a month, or it could drop to $400. But for Gen Z and millennials with a long time horizon, a small, speculative slice of your portfolio is how you catch those explosive gains. So which path do you choose? If you're terrified of loss, go index funds. If you want professional management without the fee, go robo-advisor. And if you've got a high risk tolerance and a long timeline, carve out a piece for the moonshots. The only wrong move is leaving that $1,000 in a 0.0 1% savings account. Now you need a place to actually put this money. I recommend using the brokerage linked in the description. It's zero commission, beginner-friendly, and perfect for all 3 paths we discussed today. Let's be real. If you leave that $1,000 in a standard savings account, inflation eats it alive. You aren't saving money, you're losing purchasing power. But when you move from a saver to an investor, the math changes. That first $1,000 is the hardest. After that, compound interest takes over. You stop working for your money, and your money starts working for you. Stop letting your wealth rot in a low-interest account. Click the link below to open your account and start your portfolio today. If you found this blueprint helpful, hit the subscribe button. We're breaking down every step to financial freedom. I'll see you in the next video.